There are any Nigerian nerves early on. Jamaica are trying to test them out here and capitalise on that with Lembakisa. So Kaheem Dixon, the other player in front of him. So advantage to the Super Eagles already. Target with back to goal. He was looking for something spectacular, I think, there. Nathan Talla didn't quite come off for him. Good by King. Here's Sifas. They've made the run for him. Still with Ronaldo Sifas. He's able to deliver the cross, and they've levelled it again. It's Russell. It's 2-2. Real resilience from the Reggae Boyz. They will not give this one up. And they're back on turn for the second time in the final. John Russell of Barnsley with the equalising goal. From right in front of goal, but once more, big part played by Ronaldo Sifas.